Good day, students, and welcome back to our digital classes. Today we are going to start the lecture of English 2, our second term portion. Myself, Meronisa Khan, has come up with another video of English 2, lesson number 10, punctuation and capital letters in your English 2 textbook. Definitions. Punctuation is used in order to bring clarity while writing. It is also used to avoid misunderstanding and delivers the right meaning to the readers. Students, punctuation is the most important part of any language or anything that you write or read. It has full stop, it has capital letters, when you have to write the capital letter and when you don't have to write it, when to use comma, colon, exclamatory mark and interrogation marks. There are 12 punctuation marks, that is full stop, this is the sign of full stop, comma, this is comma, colon, semicolon, interrogation mark or it is also known as question mark, exclamation mark, inverted commas or quotient marks. This is the inverted comma, apostrophe, looks like this, dash, hyphen, parenthesis, this is a bracket, and oblique. There are 12 punctuation marks altogether. But in this class, we will only do 6 punctuation marks. That is, the first one is the full stop. It indicates long pause. It is used at the end of the sentence. A new sentence begins with a full stop. So students, a new sentence begins with a full stop. For example, Rohit stood first in the class, and here there is a full stop. After this full stop, when a new sentence will start, it will first of all start with a capital letter. Suppose Rohit stood first in the class and Rohit is the smart in the class than other students, or Rohit is also good in drawing. Then R of that first letter, the first letter of that word will be capital. Second one is comma. The comma is used to separate the words, sentences, phrase, etc. It also gives short pauses. For example, we learn science, comma, maths, comma, history, comma, English and geography in our school. So do you understand what is the use of comma? What job has been done by comma? It is used to separate the two words and it takes short pauses. Colon. This is how the two dots looks like colon. The colon is used to mention a list. When your mummy makes a grocery list and she is writing grocery for the month of August or December, she will put this two dot to write the list ahead. In the same manner, for example, some of the main rivers of India are Ganga, can you see the colon here? Then the comma, Yamuna, comma, Krishna, comma is used, Kaveri and Brahmaputra, etc. So this is how the job of colon is done here to mention a list. Semicolon. Semicolon is one dot and a comma, that is known as semicolon. The semicolon is used to separate clauses and sentences. For example, you are understanding, colon, semicolon, that is, hence you will succeed. So this is the job done by semicolon to separate clauses. The interrogation mark. The interrogation mark is used at the end of a question. It is also known as question mark. For example, what is your name? How are you? How old are you? All these types of question word, when a question word is used and a question tag is added, it is said to be a interrogation mark, that is question mark. Sixth one is exclamation mark, and this is the sign of exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used to express a strong feeling. Example, emotions of joy, sorrow, surprise, guilt, etc. For example, oh God. Here comes the exclamatory mark. Help them know what is right and what is wrong. Hooray! We won the match. Can you see the exclamation mark, and it is expressing a joy that they have won the match. Bravo! Great job. That means the job is done accurately. This is the job of exclamation mark. So students, I hope you have understood the all jobs of the punctuation, the 6 things, and you have understood the work done by them. Let's solve a short exercise, that is rewrite the sentences by using proper punctuation mark and capital letters where necessary. The first is Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Now whenever you begin a sentence, your first alphabet or a letter of a word should be capital, and there is no full stop. And Gandhiji is a name, so G will be capital. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Did you see the difference? The word which is here in small letters have become capital letter here. M has become capital, G has become capital, and of our nation. Nation will, N will be also capital, and there will be a full stop. This is how you punctuate. Wow, you look extremely pretty. Whenever there is a sentence that start, it has to be capital. So W here becomes capital, and there it is a feeling that express happiness, joy. Then there will be an exclamatory mark, and U again will be a capital, Y will be a capital, and you look extremely pretty. There comes a full stop. This is how you punctuate the sentences. Students, I hope that you have understood the lesson and the punctuations and capital letters, how to use those marks, full stop, colon, semicolon, comma, interrogation marks and exclamation mark. These 6 punctuation marks. And I kindly request you to kindly like and share the video and subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you.